Today I'm working with the kit from Amazon. It's for Halloween. It has orange, black, purple, some spotted balloons, and also these cute little white eyeballs, monster eyeballs. Oh, and also it has some clear balloons that are filled with different colored pieces of confetti. You'll see that closer up later in the video. I know it's been a minute since I posted some videos, but it's been really hectic in the daily life with school and different programs that my kids are in. So it comes first. But I'm happy to have the chance to get back to what I really love doing, and that is balloon decorations. So as you can see, I'm putting together some dupes to make a quad. I like to do my balloon garlands in a color blocking method. I think that's the most attractive and the trend right now for balloon garlands. Back in the day when I first started, I had my colors all over the place, and maybe one day I'll put up one of those photos so that you can see how I used to do it when I started, but now I prefer the color blocking method. So as you know, most Amazon kits only come with 3 or 4 different sizes, usually an 18-inch, a 10, a 12-inch, and a 5-inch balloon. And in each color that comes in the kit, you usually only get 1 or 2 18-inch balloons in at least 2 of the colors. So whenever you're doing a setup with an Amazon kit, I always buy more than one of the same kit, depending on what type of setup I'm doing. Today I'm just doing a stand, a balloon garland stand, and I only needed one kit for this. It comes with about 120 or so balloons in the kit, and that's more than enough to do one 6-foot column or stand. Now I'm attaching my clusters together. Sometimes I have 8 balloons in a cluster. Sometimes I have 6. It just depends on the setup that I'm doing. I like to use the necktie method because I find that's the quickest and the easiest. It seems to make the garland very secure, and it has less gaps. So here are those clear balloons that have the confetti in them. They come with a little clear rubber band closing the top so that the confetti doesn't come out before you blow them up. So in order to make the confetti spread around the balloon and, stick on all corners of the balloon, you have to create like static electricity to get them to do that. You can also put high float in the balloon before you blow it up and mix it around, and that will also make the confetti stay along the whole interior of the balloon. Now I'm just blowing up my 5-inch balloons. Sometimes I use my sizer because I want them to all be the same size, which is around 4 inches. But this time I'm just eyeballing it because it's just a simple organic balloon garland that I'm working on today. So if you guys are decorating for Halloween, I would like for you to share what type of decorations you normally put up for Halloween. Are you doing some type of theme like skeletons or ghosts or spiders, witches? I haven't decided yet. I have so many different options to choose from, but today, like I said, I'm just playing around with this kit that I got from Amazon just to see what I can come up with or create. I don't think I'm going to use those monster eyeballs though, even though they're really cute. I might save them for a different project. Okay, so here's the stand that I'm using today, and I'm covering it with this plastic tablecloth, black plastic tablecloth. I simply folded it and cut a little hole in the center so that I could place it over the pole. And now I'm just tucking it underneath the base. You can also paint the base, black, white, or whatever color matches your theme. So here's a close-up. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. So if you're liking my content, please SLC, subscribe, like, and comment, and tap that notification bell for more posts. Until next time, bye!